Hi everyone, this is Jyoti. I'm studying BTech final year in Tech University, and we have done a project on semantic analysis on hazard prediction in coal mining in DIND. And my teammates are Raghavendra Rao and Nag Hemasanandeshwari. Hemasanandeshwari. Our supervisor is Suganya ma'am, and we are doing the industry details that we are doing is here agenda which we have mentioned in the complete PPTs. These our main abstract is about we'll be predicting the risk assessment and predicting the analysis which is done and help the accident reports that and which are collected and reported, and preventive measures are done automatically. Aim of the project and scope of the project is mentioned here. The hazard prediction will be done by the predictive framework, which is implementing by analyzing the data set into the web application. This primarily examines two types of data. One is seismic activity and the other is coal mine risk assessment. The main thing is we will collect daily seismic analysis which can be done by the safety officer, and he'll upload the data into the web application. Automatically the web application will be sent to the predictive framework, which will leads to the preventive measures. And these are the literature reviews that we have gathered. One is Mr. Sherin et al., and the other is KU et al., and this third is Sun et al., and the fourth is Jangdi et al., and the fifth is Pajic et al. We are using here four modules. One is data analysis, which will be included with the safety officer in the daily update regarding the seismic bump activity under the coal mines. And the other is admin. He'll be collecting the immediate data from the seismic analysis, and he'll only give authorization for the mine workers and stop work shift in the coal mine if anything is suspect, and he'll give authorization to the employees which will be as log status and allocating a password. And the third is data center. In data center, everything, all the two modules will be gathered here, and here two more sub modules will be added. One is tender allocation and the other is employee corner. In these will be represented in the form of graph representation and data representation. Data center, it stores only data from all the modules which can be useful later when it is needed. These are the standards and policies using by our company. This is the architecture diagram. Main part of this is data analysis, data center, and collecting the employee accident details and updating the employee accident details, which will be sent final to the database, and then database will be giving it to the data center. Seismic reports and seismic report will be collected and uh, give the data to the complaint. This is the data flow diagram, use case diagram, class diagram. It consists of data analysis, admin, employee corner, data center, and tender. Here we can see that storing and updating the seismic data will be happening in data analysis. And in tenders, registration tender will be going on, and in admin, he'll provide the reports and he'll be able to give the authorization to the employees. Employee corner, in this first need to register And finally, the data center. All will be stored here in the form of seismic data. This is the activity diagram, sequence diagram. Here, the two submodules are included, and finally, all these stored in the database for sending into the predictive framework. And this is collaboration diagram. We are using three modules and two submodules: admin, data analysis, and data center. Employee corner and tenders are two submodules. Firstly, we need to log in, register, and update the employee details if it is employee corner. And admin will provide the damage reports and log status, approval for the employees, and logout. PR diagram. The algorithm we are using is naive Bayes algorithm. We will have five types of testing. One is unit, second is integration, and third is functional, and fourth is white box testing, and the fifth is black box testing. Input we will be giving is seismic data entry, which is the employee need to enter all his details and shift type. If we need to predict if happens any uh, wrong things or hazards to predict. This is the output. Admin will send the mail to the employees or the workers, and based upon the all these three modules, employee will be gathering the hazard state and seismic after conclusion. Only seismic hazard and accident report analysis are taken into the account in this project. However, coal burst prediction, methane release, so on will be conducted, and I will do an analysis. There may be many predictions that can be added on the data analysis in future expansions. We will be adding seismic hazard and accident report analysis are taken into the account. However, these analysis will be conducted in the toxic gas analysis also for the more further future expansions. These are the web references and video references link we have gathered to complete our project. These are the references, and this is the plagiarism report of our complete PPT. This is a photo in our industry, and these have been taken in our conference room. These are internship completion certificates and offer letters. Poster presentation will be done accordingly based on our project, and the template was given by our university. One is abstract, and these are student details, and the supervisor details are also included in the poster. Finally, there is a to conclude, we will be collecting the data from the data analysis, and it will be sent to the admin. He will be gathering all the information regarding the employees and mine workers or the mine supervisors. He will give allowance to the allowance and authorization to them by using a login ID and the password. And if any, he will be predicting to the mine workers or employees or supervisors by sending a mail or them. I'm not saying that perfectly it will predict, but we'll be giving a preventive measures over the place which have been predicted for us or for the admin. This is what. Thank you all.